guys, it's Nicole. Welcome back to my channel. Today I decided to do a back to school makeup look because a lot of you were requesting that on my makeup page. If you're new here and you don't know about my makeup page, it's Makeup with Nick. So yeah, go give it a follow. Show me some love on there. I put a question up on my story. I put what kind of makeup looks would you guys like to see from me, because honestly I had been in like a funk. I didn't know like what to film or what makeup looks to even post on my page, and a lot of you are going back to school, so you requested an easy back to school makeup look. So that's what I did today. I hope this makeup tutorial was easy and that the products that you used are easy to pick up. I hope you guys enjoy this video and let's get into it. Okay, so first we're going to be prepping our lips with some Carmex. And guys, I did like a colorful makeup look. That's why my eyelids are orange. It like hasn't gone away, and I've used coconut oil, makeup wipe, micellar water. Nothing takes this off, so I'm just gonna wait. I want this to be like a drugstore friendly video, so it's easier to get your hands on these products. So I'm gonna go in with my e.l.f. hydrating primer. I already moisturized my face. Just use any moisturizer that you have. So I'm just gonna take like 2 pumps of that, and we're gonna prime our face. I normally put it like on my T-zone area because I am super dry there, and then like wherever else. Okay, so for foundation, we're gonna go in with the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless. This one is in 120 Classic Ivory. This is also a drugstore foundation. This is one of my favorite drugstore foundations. I just love the way it looks on the skin, so I highly recommend this one. And if I'm looking this way, this is where my mirror is, so I'm sorry. So I'm just gonna dot this all over my face. And you don't have to put this much, it just depends on the amount of coverage you like, so every person's different. So now just go in with any beauty sponge and we're gonna bounce this in. And I recommend getting a sponge, it's just faster. And if you're getting ready for school, this is like a lifesaver, because a brush honestly takes forever. And never forget to run it down your neck also, because you don't want to look like you're 2 different colors. Now for concealer, this is also going to be drugstore. I'm going to go in with the e.l.f. Complete Coverage Concealer. It's just this little concealer palette that I got, and I'm going to use this shade right here, and we're just going to use this to conceal wherever we normally do. Never mind, I changed my mind. I'm going to go in with this one right here. And I'm just going to place this under my eyes. And I think concealer is a must, because if you stayed up late studying, this really just brightens your whole face up and makes you look more awake. And down the bridge of your nose. I'm also just going to put some on my eyelids to act as a primer. Okay, so what I like to do before I go in and blend that out, I like to go in with some rose water. And then I blend it out. And it just makes it so much more blendable. Even though that e.l.f. concealer is already really creamy, but I like to do it anyways. Guys, like look how much brighter that got. Now we're gonna set this all in place. This is also from the drugstore, Airspun Loose Setting Powder. I like to take whatever's on the cap. We're gonna use this to put under our eyes. And just run it along the top also to set. And I just like to tap it everywhere else, and then I'm gonna go in with the brush and just blend this out. And I'll just wipe whatever was on your eye. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with this e.l.f. bronzer palette. I've never used it before. It's in Bronze Beauty. Yeah, let's see how this works. So I'm just gonna go in with the fluffy brush, and I'm gonna go in with this shade right here on the corner. Don't wanna blind you guys. It's a beautiful color. I just think it looks like a little patchy, but I mean for the price, it's worth it. So, like it doesn't look that bad, right? Hopefully not. So definitely run it down for my double chin. It's all the french fries I eat, honestly. Okay, now I'm just gonna go in with a smaller brush, and we're gonna go in with that same bronzer and run this down our nose. Run it all the way up to your brow bone. Now you're just gonna get a bigger blending brush, and we're gonna blend this out. So now what we're gonna do, since this is for back to school, it needs to be super easy, super quick. So I'm gonna go in with that same bronzer palette, and I'm probably gonna be taking this one up here, just above the one that we used. So this one. And I'm legit just gonna run that in my crease, because bronzer is a really good eyeshadow. Like, you see how quick that was? So you'll be out the door super fast. And it looks good. Like, I'd wear this. Obviously, I'm like doing this tutorial. So I honestly don't have drugstore blush or highlight, so I'm just gonna be using what I have. But honestly, just use whatever you guys have at home. So for blush, I'm gonna be going in with MAC Peaches blush. But if you're looking for a good drugstore blush, I recommend Milani Luminoso. That one is super pretty. I don't know about you guys, but in the morning before I go to school, I look like a ghost. So I need some color. Just run it down your nose and your chin. Honestly, I just put blush everywhere. So for highlight, like always, I'm gonna go in with Becca Champagne Pop. This is like my all-time favorite highlight. And you really don't need a lot of highlight to go to school, but if you're extra like me, then chin. And you can run it down your nose if you'd like. I know not a lot of people like this, but I do. And it just enhances like the nose contour, so I really like highlight. So now, if you have like zero hair on your eyebrows like me, this is the time where we're gonna fill in our eyebrows. What I've been doing, honestly, is just taking the Maybelline The Nudes palette, and I think you can tell which one I've been using for my brows. You guessed this one, you've guessed correctly. I'm gonna use this dark brown shade to fill in my eyebrows. I just brush the hairs up, like so. But honestly, if you don't have time, you can just skip this step. I know a lot of people have like really nice brow hair, but I just wasn't blessed. Like, I have a lot of like hair, but I just don't have a lot of hair like on my face. It's like weird, I don't know. Okay, so I just take it on an angled brush like this and just line the bottom. To give you like a shape of where you want to go. Then just follow the natural shape of your brow. And I like to extend mine out because it stops like right here. And typically your eyebrow is supposed to end right here in the corner of your eye. So that's where I stop mine. Now just do the same thing on the top. And just fill in the brow. Now for the front of the brow, I really don't pick up any more product. I just use whatever's left on my brush. So I just flick up like so. And that gives you the nice fade between the front of your brow to the end of your brow. And now just get your spoolie. This is a spoolie, if you guys don't know. And you're just gonna brush up, just so you can make it more natural looking. You know, for school, not a lot of us like to go in like full glam. What you're gonna wanna do now is just take any brow gel. I'm gonna use the Rimmel Brow This Way. And I'm just gonna brush the front pieces up because I like it to look bushy towards the front of my brow. And then the rest, I just like to lay it down. Now you have a slaying brow. So now what we're gonna do is curl our eyelashes and apply some mascara. For mascara, I have another drugstore favorite. It is the L'Oreal Voluminous Carbon Original Mascara. Looks like this, it's super good. And we're gonna coat our eyelashes. This also just makes you look more awake, so pile the mascara on. Apply some on your lower lashes as well because this just opens up your eyes. It looks super nice. Look at the difference. So don't forget mascara. Okay, so if you want to stop here, you can and move on to lips, but I'm actually gonna go in with some falsies. So I'm in between two lashes. I have these two. I think I'm gonna go in with these. They're like shorter, so I think they're better for school. These are the Kiss number 11 lashes. And honestly, I know this is like extra and it's like a lot for school, but I don't have any lashes, like they're very little. So I'm gonna go in with these really quick and then I'll be right back. Okay, so this is how it looks with the lashes on. These are just the Kiss number 11 lashes. They're also drugstore if you would like to pick them up and wear them with me to school. So now we're gonna move on to the lips. This is my favorite drugstore combo. These two right here. This is a NYX lip liner in natural if you guys would want to pick it up. This is perfect for everyday wear. And this is a lipstick that I like to wear with this one. It's the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream, and honestly, I like this lipstick a lot, so I'm gonna search up how to say it because I always skip it. Abu Dhabi. That's what. Abu Dhabi. Okay, so first I'm gonna line my lips because I do like to just define them. Just follow your natural lip shape unless you want to overline, then that's good too. I'm gonna go in with that lipstick that I told you guys about. Like, look how good these two look together. Like, what? Are you kidding me? Yeah, this is my favorite lip combo. So now you guys know it, and you guys can go pick up these colors. So now the last thing we want to do before we leave to school is we're gonna set our face. I'm gonna use my MAC Fix Plus. This isn't drugstore, but it's really good. So this just helps melt the powders and everything together, so it's gonna make you look really natural, really pretty. So this was the final makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial. I hope the products I used were easy to get and that this makeup tutorial was easy to follow. So yeah, good luck in school, and please give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe if you're not, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys!